Buju, Erica Bailey Johnson, Indigenous Jaganashimang, Mamengwe, Indigenous Ojibwe Mang, Makwa Indodem. My name is Erica Bailey Johnson in English, and in Ojibwe it's Butterfly Woman. And I'm really excited to read this book to you that I've worked on for many years. And I call it a community book because there was so many different people and partners involved in helping to create it. So I will read the first of the series, and I want to just put a clarifier that I am not a first language Ojibwe speaker, and that I really wanted to try to learn the language when I moved to Bemidji. And so I had my 2 young boys and wanted to read to them, and I couldn't really find a lot of books in the language. And so that's where the idea was sort of born. And then ultimately had a lot of people help along the path to get it to where it is and out into the world. So I will read this to you in the best way that I can, and hoping that you enjoy it and you begin to speak these words in your own way. So the series is called Ninisidawenimaag, and that means I sense them. And all of the books will be about the senses, and this first one is about seeing. So I see many things. So Nibawa Aeag Niwabamag. That means I see many things. Migizi Niwabamag. What is that you hold in your claw? Wawatesi Niwabama. Your blinking light leaves me in awe. Ajidamu Niwabama. With your teeth, what do you gnaw? Amu Niwabama. When I come close, will you withdraw? Nika Niwabama. I bet you wish for a spring thaw. Wagash Niwabama. Will you trust me with your paw? Asabakeshi Niwabama. On all your web there is no flaw. Opiche Niwabama. Tell me all the things you saw. Mamengwa Niwabama. Your beautiful colors are fun to draw. Mittig Niwabama. I see you hold a nest of straw. Awainen Wayabamad. What do you see? And at the back of every book is some pronunciations that will help for the ways that you say the words. And then there's also a little kind of glossary of what all of the words mean. Miigwech.